To use text-to-speech on Poco M8, start by opening the settings, and right now you have to go below into the additional settings. Right now you will have to go for accessibility and go for the vision settings. Then you have to go for select to speak. You have to just simply turn it on by clicking on this switcher, scroll, click allow for all of those permissions. And as you can see now, when you click on the settings, we can actually get some base information about this one, how it works, and we can change the reading voice. We can also change some text to speech settings like speech rate, pitch, or the language. Now, if you want to start using this, you have to click on this icon, and now you can click and hold. Oh, let me just do this one more time. There we go. Click and hold, drag everything that you want to be read aloud and release. There we go.
Select to speak will continue reading when you move to other screens or apps.
And that's how it works. I hope you find that video useful.